Hi, this is our channel Knowledge Journey, and today the passage I am going to read, it's very creative. So some people are getting day by day very sad, and they are very sad. So this is for them. Please share to them that they are getting day by day very sad. So how to be a happier human? So we will start it here. How to be a happier human 14. So friends, before starting it, you have to like, share and subscribe our channel. And like my all the video, I am going to shout loud all the people who are liking my all the videos and subscribing my channel and commenting. So let's start. How to be a happy human 14. Here is a simple idea that has worked brilliantly for executives and entrepreneurs who I coach. If you want to be happier, do more things that make you happy. I know seems like an obvious point, but it's not. As we live the wonder years of childhood, most of us stop doing things to make our heart sing. One CEO Silent told me recently that when he was young, he used to love to take long solo rides on his bicycle. I stopped doing that when he had kids and work demands to cover. Life just got busier. But those moments of out on the bike came from some of the best days of my life. Another silent and phenomenally success entrepreneur shared that his passion used to playing his drums in a rock band. Those were incredible times. Then I started my business and big, began to consume me. I miss playing music. I do lose myself in it. Here's, here's your to do. Make a list of 10 greatest passions, 10 activities, and fill your heart with the joy and remind you of how good life can be. How good life can be. And then, over the coming 10 weeks, inject on those preserves into the weekly schedule power thought. The things that can be scheduled are the things that get done. Until you schedule something, it's only a concept, and extraordinary people do not build remarkable lives on concept. They build the greatness of action and new flush extension around their deliverables. They get the things done. This 10-week program works when you get back to doing those things that lifted you with the spirit and sent you a soaring. You reconnect with the state of happiness that you may have lost, and part of purpose of life is to be happy, really happy. When you get back to doing those things and lifted your spirit and sent your soaring, reconnect with that state of happiness that you may have lost. Please share this video who are getting day by day sad, they are sitting alone. Please share this video. They will love it and they will be happier human. Bye.